Well, doesn't seem like a big task today. What we're going to do is give all the windows a good clean, get the stickers and such like off, and we're going to put some 20% tint on. We've used this kind of stuff before and it does work out quite well. We don't want people staring in when we parked up, and we thought we might as well put these on now so they can't stare in while we're working in here. Did think of putting a mirror on the outside, but we didn't want people coming doing the makeup and then us thinking that they're looking in. The 20% is actually quite a dark tint, but it's supposedly, when you're inside looking out, you can't see it so much. And the outside looking in, yeah, they can't see in whatsoever. However, when you have a light on inside, it means it works the opposite way around. We'll see how it goes on. Right, we've got lots of stickers like this on the windows. From experience, if you had a little bit of heat, but not so much that you crack the glass, use a razor blade and then possibly some panel wipe or thinners just to get the glue off. Usually works a treat. Well, that's the vinyl off, but it always leaves sticky residue on the back. I tend to use panel wipe, which seems to be a good thing that dissolves it. There's lots of other solvents that you can use that comes off. Let's give it a go. that's the job done. It does take a lot of fiddling about, and some windows you have to have 2 or 3 attempts at. You got to aim for perfection, but accept there may be the odd little ripple you won't get rid of first time. What I've found in the past is if you get it as good as you can, leave it through a couple of heat cycles, you know, a couple of days, come back and have another go. If you can't get them sorted, just redo that window. Mostly you can get it so that you can accept it. If you've enjoyed this video, please subscribe and give us a thumbs up. We have got quite a few projects on the go. You should enjoy some of them. Thank you very much for watching though.